Hey guys, I quickly want to make a video on how to bypass the Windows 11 OOBE, especially when it gets to the network connection. I've got a VM spun up here, Windows 11. I think this is 24H2. It's asking me to connect to a network. I don't want to, so to bypass this, I think you're gonna hit Shift F10. I have to use my function keys here. Pass through, or is it Control F10? Give me a second. Hopefully I'm doing it right. Shift F10. There it is. Probably wasn't holding it down too long. So when you get here, there is a couple things you can do, but the one that I want to run is this command, start. Again, my keyboard is not responding. Start ms-cxh, and I think it's local only. Boom, great. So now that takes you to the create the user account, and this is a local account, so you don't have to worry about inputting a Microsoft account here. So I'll just what am I using this one for? I think this is just trading bot. I don't know if I want to put a password. Do I have to put a password? All right, perfect. And we're off to the races. Great, and that's it. So just want to make that quick video to bypass out of box Windows 11, especially the network setting. Thanks for watching.